I was on school and found quite an exciting opportunity that I wanted to show you just in case it interests you. There's a hackathon being run and you build a real AI product and you can win $6,000 for doing so. The deadline for this is happening in 8 days, so you want to get a move on. But yeah, $6,000 for vibe coding or building an AI tool is a pretty nice prize. So I just wanted to show it to you, see if this is something of interest. I'm not affiliated with this. I'm not getting any money for promoting or anything like that. I just wanted to share it with you because I came across it and I thought you'd be interested in it. I'll leave the link to this school community in the description. But as you can see here, this is the schedule. So we've got $6,000 in cash prizes. I'm guessing that's spread across like a few different, you know, first, second, third prizes and so on. Oh yeah, there you go. Look, it's there in the image. Like I said, I've just come across this and I wanted to share it with you guys. So 3,000 for the top prize, 2,000 for second, 1,000 for third prize. But yeah, math fit, you've got to get the form filled out in order to enter. Then on March 6th, it's kickoff, live stream and build. 7th, we've got check-ins. 8th is the submission. And then also on the 8th, they're doing live demo and picking the winners out as well. So if this is something that you think you'd be interested in entering, I mean, a hackathon is a great way of developing your skills, getting ideas of the kind of products people are building, getting people to test your products and seeing if they actually work, bug fixes, and seeing if there's interest out there. So definitely something worth checking out. Like I said, not affiliated with this or anything like that. Just thought it might be useful, might be something that you're interested in. But yeah, first link in the description, check it out. And if you enter, I hope you do well.